Today topic is physical and chemical properties of acids and base. First of all, the king of chemical, that is sulfuric acid. It was first prepared by Jabr bin Hayyan, and it is widely used in industry, and it is known as the king of chemicals. The free sulfuric acid is sometimes found in mineral springs whose water have been in contact with sulfide metals such as iron pyrite or uh, that is iron or ferrous sulfide. Ferrous sulfide or iron pyrite plus 7O2 plus water to gives the sulfuric acid and plus ferrous sulfate. So it in this case the sulfur is act as a ligand and it has two oxygen atoms which give the electrons and two have the negative ion to SO4 minus 2 and these attach with the hydrogen atoms जो negatively ions, so it is the structure of the sulfuric acid. First, the physical properties. Number one, it is colorless, dense, viscous, and highly liquid. It has it is correctively corrosive and less volatile. It is its boiling point is 338 degrees centigrade and freezing point is 10.49 degrees centigrade. If sulfuric acid is become too cold, colorless, monoclinic crystals are formed having melting point 10.8 degrees centigrade and its density is 1.855 gram per ml at 25 degrees centigrade and is find great affinity for water. It is highly soluble in water and large quantity of heat is evolved exothermic reaction and its temperature may rise up to 120 degrees centigrade. So whether its dilution is required, always add a thin stream of acid to water and never water to acid. Otherwise, the splashes will be formed on the body and the container or the region bottle may be cracked. Next is the chemical properties. Number one is reaction with metals. Metals like magnesium, zinc, and iron reacts with sulfuric acid, evolving hydrogen gas. Exothermic reaction. Zinc plus sulfuric acid gives us the zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Similarly, magnesium gives the magnesium sulfate plus and iron gives the ferric sulfate plus hydrogen. So metals like gold, copper, and mercury, lead, and tin react with sulfuric acid producing SO2 gas or means sulfur dioxide gas. Copper plus sulfuric acid, copper sulfate plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Similarly, number three, noble metals like gold and platinum not react. I have mistakenly silver react with palm silver sulfate Ag to SO4 and plus water plus SO2, while gold do not react with sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. The sulfuric acid is a strong oxidizing agent and itself reduces to the SO2 and nascent oxygen may be evolved. Action on halogen acids similarly have hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, two corresponding halogens with sulfuric acid to form the sulfur dioxide plus water plus iodine, and similarly hydrogen bromide gives bromine plus sulfur dioxide plus water. Action on non-metals. Non-metals like carbon, phosphorus, and sulfur gives their respective oxide. For example, carbon dioxide. Similarly, sulfur gives sulfur dioxide, and phosphorus gives phosphoric acid. So reaction with KMnO4. This is the reaction that have been done in the practical for the percentage purity of H2O2, potassium permanganate plus H2SO4 gives the potassium sulfate, manganese sulfates, water, and nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen reacts with hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide does not react directly with the KMnO4. So nascent oxygen reacts with H2O2 to form the water. And a reaction with naphthalene. On treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid at 2 degrees, 2 temperatures, 40 degrees centigrade yields alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid, and 165 degrees centigrade gives the beta naphthalene sulfonic acid, means 2 2 naphthalene sulfonic acid or 1, and at 40 degrees centigrade 1 naphthalene sulfonic acid. H2SO4 act as an acid. So as an acid, it has sour taste and turns blue litmus to red. It reacts with alkalis like carbonates and bicarbonates to form the salts. So metal plus sulfuric acid gives metal sulfate plus water. Sodium hydroxide plus H2SO4, it neutralizes to form the sodium bisulfate plus water, and sodium bisulfite reacts with another sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate plus carbon plus water. The sodium carbonate plus sulfuric acid, sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water, and sodium bicarbonate reacts with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water. So sulfuric acid acts as an dehydrating agent, and it absorbs a lot of water from the other substances. It has great affinity for water, and therefore it is used as dehydrating agent. It removes water from the cloth, wood, starch, sugars, paper, alcohol. Oxalates formates lose water when heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. So first of all, that is the sugar 312H22O11. It gives the carbon of the black color and plus 11H2O. Similarly, it has the formic acid. HCOOH gives the carbon monoxide, and oxalic acid gives the water plus carbon dioxide plus carbon monoxide. Ethanol gives the ethene and plus water as an sulfonating agent. So sulfonation is it acts as a catalyst. Number 2 points: a concentrated sulfuric acid at a higher temperature, while the fuming sulfuric acid at a lower temperature or a room temperature. H2SO4 is used to introduce sulfonic acid if the benzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. So electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at room temperature with fuming sulfuric acid to give the benzene sulfonic acid, and at 120 degrees centigrade with concentrated sulfuric acid to give benzene sulfonic acid. The general applications of sulfuric acid: it is used for the manufacture of fertilizers, king of chemicals, 1/3 fertilizers, paints, pigments, dyes, and etc. It is the preparation of explosives such as nitroglycerin, nitro compounds, or trinitrotoluene, etc. as a dehydrating agent. Earlier, in the lead storage batteries, 30% sulfuric acid is used for purification of oils and fats. Now next is the hydrochloric acid. Structure formula is HCl. Hydrochlorine has 7 electron in its outermost and had 3 non-bonding pairs or lone pairs of electron. Physical properties: it is colorless gas with a pungent odor or pungent smell, which dissolved in water to give acid solution. It is slightly heavier than water. Its boiling point is 110. It is acidic in nature with sour taste and turns blue litmus to red. And 0.1 for molar sulfuric of HCl is 92% ionized. Chemical properties: reaction with metals. It gives hydrogen gas when reacts with metals. Zinc gives the zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Iron plus hydrochloric acid gives ferrous chloride plus hydrogen. Aluminium chloride plus hydrogen. Zinc, tin, or iron, magnesium, aluminium react with both dilute as well as concentrated sulfuric hydrochloric acid. So some metals react only with dilute HCl. Cobalt plus HCl dilute to gives the cobalt chloride plus hydrogen, and nickel plus HCl dilute to give nickel chloride plus hydrogen. Some metals react with concentrated sulfuric acid only, such as antimony plus hydrochloric acid to give antimony trichloride plus hydrogen, and lead gives lead chloride plus hydrogen. So some metals like gold, copper, and silver, arsenic do not react with hydrochloric acid. Reaction with sulfides: sodium sulfide plus hydrochloric acid to give their chlorides and plus H2S, and similarly silver sulfide plus hydrochloric acid, silver chloride plus H2S. To reaction with sulfides to give their sulfur dioxide and their respective chloride. For example, sodium sulfide gives sodium chloride plus sulfur dioxide plus water, and potassium gives the potassium chloride plus sulfur dioxide plus water. So reaction with thiosulfates. So sodium thiosulfates react with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, their chloride, plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur and water. So reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates, carbon dioxide gas produces with uh, carbonates and bicarbonates. Sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, carbon dioxide plus water. Calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride, carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium bicarbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Reaction with nitrites. So sodium nitrites react with HCl to form sodium chloride and hydrogen nitrite. HNO2, nitrous acid is called. This is very widely used in the textile processing industry. This reaction, sodium nitrite and plus hydrogen chloride at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade to form sodium chloride plus nitrous acid. Potassium nitrate plus hydrochloric acid to form potassium chloride plus nitrous acid. So similarly, it's nitric acids that have the physical properties, and physical properties is a fuming liquid which freezes to a snow white solid at minus 46 degrees centigrade. Pure acid have boils at 86 degrees centigrade. So nitric acid is nearly about 65 to 70% pure, while the hydrochloric acid is 37% pure and sulfuric acid is 98% pure. So its boiling point is 86 degrees centigrade. It is freely miscible with water and its specific gravity is 1.522 at 15 degrees centigrade. Its strength is commercial. I have told you earlier. Maximum is 70 degrees, 70%. The density of concentrated nitric acid at 0 degrees centigrade is 1.54 gram per ml, while the sulfuric acid has 1.85, containing 98% nitric acid. Chemical properties. So nitric acid as an acid with mineral metal oxides, oxide plus nitric acid give their nitrates and plus water. Cuprous oxide plus nitric acid give copper nitrate plus water. Zinc oxide plus nitric acid, zinc nitrate plus water. With carbonates, carbonates plus nitric acid give nitrates plus water plus carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate plus nitric acid give calcium nitrate plus water plus carbon dioxide. With hydroxide, sodium hydroxide plus nitric acid to give sodium nitrate plus water, and iron hydroxide gives plus 20 moles of nitric acid gives 6 moles of ferric nitrate and plus 2 nitric oxide and plus 16 H2. So with sulfides, so sulfides plus nitric acid gives the nitrate plus sulfur hydrogen sulfide, which have the rotten eggs-like smell. Manganese sulfide plus nitric acid gives manganese nitrate plus H2S. Reaction as an oxidizing agent. So oxidizing action of the nitric acid with metals depends on two factors. Number one is the concentration of acid, and number two is the nature of the metal. So concentration that is depends very widely depend on it, because it highly concentration reacts that is strength is very high, and number two action of the nitric acid on metals. So these have the two types of strength. One is concentrated, that has the XO, and that of the dilute, it gives the nitrous oxide plus that is the metal oxide and plus water. Action of nitric acid on metals. Very dilute nitric acid reacts with give nitrous oxide, N2O oxidizing state changes from +5 to +1, so or at NH3. So zinc plus nitric acid gives the zinc nitrate plus nitrous oxide or and the plus water. That is very cold dilute. Moderately dilute nitric acid gives the nitric oxide and changes from +5 to +2. Copper plus nitric acid gives the copper nitrate plus nitrous oxide plus nitric oxide plus water. So hard concentrated sulfuric acid give oxidation state from +5 to +4 by losing one electron. by gaining one electron. Copper plus nitric acid give copper nitrate plus nitrogen peroxide plus water. So vapors of nitric acid passed over red hot metals gives a nitrogen state. Oxidation state is plus 5 to 0. Copper plus nitric acid give copper nitrate plus water plus nitrogen. So oxidation of non-metals. Concentrated H2 and HNO3 reacts with non-metals in hot state to liberate nitrogen peroxide and forms oxides or oxy acids to the corresponding non-metals. For example, non-metal carbon reacts with carbon to nitric acid to give carbon plus nitrogen peroxide plus water. Similarly, phosphorus plus nitric acid give phosphoric acid nitrogen peroxide plus water. And iodine gives hydrogen iodide, trioxy iodide, and plus nitrogen peroxide plus water. Sulfur gives the sulfuric acid plus nitrogen plus peroxide plus water. The oxidation of some other compounds. So with the reducing agents, nitric acid liberates nitrogen peroxide, sulfur dioxide plus nitric acid gives the sulfuric acid plus nitrogen peroxide, lead sulfide plus nitric acid, lead sulfate plus nitrogen peroxide plus water. It converts potassium iodide to iodine and H2S to sulfur. So potassium iodide plus nitric acid give the potassium nitrate plus nitric oxide plus iodine plus water. And H2S that reacts with the HNO3 to give the sulfur plus nitric oxide plus water. The HNO3 oxidizes ferrous to ferric and stainless to stainless. Ferrous sulfate reacts with the nitric acid and in the presence of sulfuric acid to give the ferric sulfate and plus NO and plus nitric oxide plus water and tin chloride plus HCl and plus HNO3 to give the tin chloride plus nitrogen peroxide plus water. So these are the reactions of nitric acid and also as a nitrating agent. So nitration is a process. Benzene reacts with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give the nitrobenzene plus water, and phenol reacts with and have the nitration to give the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol plus water. So aqua regia is very important compound and it is a mixture of consisting of concentrated nitric acid and hydrochloric acid in the ratio 1:3. And HNO3 1 part and HCl 3 part. It is called aqua regia and strongest solvent, and it reacts more vigorously than either of the acids. HNO3 1 part and hydrochloric acid 3 part to give nitrogen oxychloride plus water and plus 2 chlorides. So this nascent chlorine reacts with the noble metals to form metals chlorides or chlorocomplex. For example, it dissolves gold. Gold reacts with hydrochloric acid or means aqua regia to gives the gold trichloride and plus nitric oxide and plus water. Platinum in the same manner, platinum trichloride plus nitric oxide plus water. So now start the bases. First of all, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a white solid and it in pure form it melts at 318 degrees centigrade and decomposes into elements at 1300 degrees centigrade. Preparation from lime and sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate plus calcium hydroxide to give sodium hydroxide plus calcium carbonate by electrolysis of brine, and from the brine it is very widely used in the other textile industry and other industries. Physical properties. It is brittle white solid and melts at 318 degrees centigrade, highly hygroscopic and rapidly absorb moisture and carbon dioxide forms from the atmosphere. It is highly soluble in water and has a high heat of hydration, exothermic reaction. It's strong alkali and changes from the red litmus to blue. It has soapy touch or slippery touch. It is commonly called as caustic soda because it has very much corrosive for the skin and it has slippery touch. Chemical properties. That is a strong base and ferrous ions and aqueous solutions. hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. The sodium hydroxide gives the sodium ion and hydroxyl ion. The strong solution of sodium hydroxide is very corrosive, and sodium hydroxide reacts with the hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride plus water and to neutralize the acid. Similarly, sodium hydroxide reacts with weak acid, acetic acid, to form sodium acetate plus water. And for with the sulfur dioxide give the sodium sulfide plus water. Action on chemicals: react with this aluminium and react with to give sodium aluminate, react with zinc to sodium zincate. Reaction on non-metals like silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur to form their silicon to form silicate, sodium silicate, and so react with the phosphorus to form sodium hydrogen phosphide, and reacts with and phosgene gas is produced that is used in the weapons. And sodium hydroxide plus sulfur gives sodium sulfide plus sodium thiosulfate plus water. Halogens to chlorines and reacts with sodium hydroxide to form the sodium chloride plus sodium oxychloride plus water, and chlorine reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride plus sodium chlorate and plus water. Similarly, it reacts with other halogens. The action of ammonium salts, so sodium hydroxide reacts with ammonium chloride to form sodium chloride plus ammonia plus water, and sodium hydroxide reacts with ammonium sulfate to give the sodium sulfate plus ammonia plus water. Action on salts: it reacts with salts to form the stable insoluble hydroxides. So sodium hydroxide plus manganese sulfate to give manganese hydroxide plus sodium sulfate, and sodium hydroxide reacts with the silver nitrate to give silver hydroxide, that is gives to precipitate of silver oxides and plus sodium nitrate. And so sodium hydroxide reacts with aluminium trichloride to give the aluminium hydroxide plus sodium chloride, and aluminium hydroxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to give sodium aluminate plus water. General applications: caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is extensively used in the soap formation or making of soap and glycerin, paper industry, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis, rubber reclaiming to open blocked drains and pipes because of its dissolving and caustic action, for petroleum refining and preparation of the bleaching agent sodium oxychloride and sodium peroxide and sodium thiosulfate that are used as a bleaching agent. Ammonia. General introduction: ammonia is a colorless alkaline gas and atmospheric at atmospheric pressure. Formula: weight is 17. It's lighter than air and passes a characteristic pungent odor, penetrating odor. Preparation: commercially it is prepared by the Haber process and coal gas from the destructive distillation of the coal, and the most important that I have earlier told you, thus by Haber process, that is throughout the world it is used. So it is also prepared by product in purification of bauxites. Physical properties: colorless gas with a characteristic pungent odor, lighter than air, density being 0.589 times that of air. It is highly easily liquefied to the strong hydrogen. Bonding between molecules: it boils at minus 33.3 degrees centigrade and freezes to white crystals at minus 77.7 degrees centigrade. Reactions or chemical properties: amphotericity: it is a weak base. It combines with acid to form salts, thus with hydrochloric acid to give the ammonium chloride, nitric acid to give ammonium nitrate, sulfuric acid to give ammonium sulfates. Formation of amides: ammonia is well known as weak base and it can be act as an extremely weak acid. It is a protic substance and capable of formation of amides such as NH2- ions. The lithium dissolves in liquid ammonia to give the lithium amides plus hydrogen gas. To self-dissociation like water, it converts into two ions. One is the positively ion, that is the ammonium ion, and the other is the amide ion. So ammonia often function as a weak base, so its some buffering capacity to shift its pH will cause more for fewer ammonium cations and amide anions to be present in the solution. Combustion process, combustion of ammonia to nitrogen and water is exothermic reaction, and it gives the a highly reaction with water. Ammonia reacts with water to form the ammonium hydroxide. So similarly, another general applications, it is used for the preparation of soda ash from the sodium chloride, and household ammonia is used as a cleaning agent in factories and houses and in paper coating mills. Ammonia is used effectively as a stain removal for the marble. Ammonia is important in the manufacturing of sulfanilamide and sulfathiazole, pyridine, and other sulfur drugs. And hydrous ammonia is used in combustion with chlorine to purify industrial and many municipal water supplies. It is used as a refrigerant, and it is used for the fruit storing, production of ice, cold storage plants, and air conditioning for large industrial plants. It is act as a cooling reagent. Now calcium hydroxide, last topic of the base, that is prepared by calcium oxide with water to form calcium hydroxide. Physical properties: white solid, and is called as slacked lime. When it is added to water, large amount of heat is evolved, exothermic reaction, and sometimes may start boiling. When excess of water is added to the slacked lime, a white milky liquid is obtained called as milk of lime. When this solution is allowed to stand, it becomes clear and is called milk of lime. The solubility of calcium hydroxide decreases with increases temperature. So calcium hydroxide reactions or chemical properties: reacts with atmospheric carbon dioxide and form calcium carbonate and plus water. Lime reacts with bicarbonates to form the carbonates in the following. Calcium bicarbonates react with calcium hydroxide to give carbonate plus water. Magnesium gives magnesium hydroxide plus calcium carbonate. It reacts with magnesium chloride and sulfate. Magnesium chloride reacts with calcium hydroxide to give their magnesium oxide hydroxide plus calcium chloride, and sulfate, magnesium sulfate give calcium sulfate plus magnesium hydroxide. It reacts with sulfates, iron and aluminium to form their hydroxides. Ferrous sulfate reacts with calcium hydroxide to give ferrous iron hydroxide plus calcium sulfate, and aluminium sulfate reacts with calcium hydroxide to give the aluminium hydroxide plus calcium sulfate. So it reacts with acids to it is a base to form water and the corresponding calcium salts. Hydrochloric acid reacts with calcium hydroxide to form calcium chloride plus water, and sulfuric acid calcium sulfate plus water. It is used in the preparation of a bleaching powder. Calcium hydroxide plus chlorine gives the bleaching powder plus water. General applications: it is used for the preparing cement, and it is used for the whitewashing of walls. Large quantities of limes are used in agriculture. The heavy soil becomes loose and water capacity of sand soil increases. Lime is used in the manufacture of various chemicals such as bleaching powder, calcium carbide, ammonia, caustic soda, and it is used in the glass industry. This is the end of it.